Hi everyone, in front of me I've got MOTOROLA Moto G51 and let me share with you how to add or remove a Google account from this device. So basically how to manage it. So first of all, let's enter the settings, and here all we have to do is to simply find the account section. Of course, here we've got Google account, Google section, and you will be able to add or remove a Google account using it, but I personally prefer to do it using this section. So let me tap on it, and as you can see, here we've got the Google account which we've previously added to this device. So if you want to remove the Google account, all you have to do is to simply tap on it and tap on remove account. Tap on remove account again. If you are sure, tap on OK. If you've got a pattern or a pen, then enter to confirm the whole step. And as you can see, we just got back to the accounts, and the account simply disappeared, which means that we successfully removed it. Of course, if you want to, you can add another. Just tap on add account, choose Google. Make sure that you've got the internet connection, because it is required for this operation, so it can be the Wi-Fi or mobile data. And from this step, we can either create a new account if you do not have your own yet, or simply type your email or phone. So let me do it. As you can see, I've got it saved, so let me tap on it. Let's tap on next. And right now we have to enter the password, so let me do this out of the screen. What's more, what I wanted to say is that you do not have to enter the full email address, just the first part before the @ symbol, and then your device will autofill it. So let's tap on next after entering the password. Here we've got Google Terms of Service and Privacy Policy, so of course if you want to, you can read it, just tap on it, and here you've got all the info. Let's tap on I agree after reading. And here we've got the shortcut of backup and storage info, so just tap on accept. And as you can see, we just successfully added our Google account to this device. So actually this is it. This is how to add or remove a Google account in your MOTOROLA Moto G51. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.